Summer on the stone street, sunlight on the wall, white door stood open all afternoon. A bicycle rested near a small cafe. The smell of coffee drifted away. A cat crossed slowly through the shade. Nothing seemed rushed that day. The day moved slow along the street. The day moved slow, warm and sweet. Shutters open to the breeze. White curtains danced among the trees. A woman watered flowers above, red and yellow in the sun. Footsteps echoed across the square, then disappeared into the air. The day moved slow along the street. The day moved slow, warm and sweet. Church bells carried across the town. The sound floated up and down. A fisherman walked toward the harbor. His shadow stretched along the road. The sea appeared beyond the roofs, bright and blue and still. The cafe chairs caught golden light. The afternoon softened. Little by little, children laughed near the fountain, then wandered home without a hurry. The stone street glowed in evening sun, holding the warmth of everyone. Summer on the stone street stayed a while. The sea breeze lingered mile by mile. The day grew quiet, soft and deep, and settled gently into sleep. A boat waited near the pier. The water shimmered clear and blue. Ropes moved gently with the tide. The harbor rested in the light. A gull drifted across the sky. Without a sound it passed by. The boat stayed there by the sea. The boat stayed there quietly. The afternoon began to fade. golden colors touch the bay. A fisherman folded his net and watched the water for a while. The breeze carried a hint of salt from distant waves beyond the shore. The boat stayed there by the sea. The boat stayed there quietly. A cafe window caught the sun. One last sparkle, then was still. White walls glowed along the road, and lemon trees held the light. Church bells echoed from the town. Their voices floated softly down. The sea grew darker, shade by shade. The sky turned amber, then rose gold. Small harbor lights appeared one by one beside the boats returning home. The evening settled without a word. The world seemed slower than before. A boat waited near the pier. The stars arrived above the bay. The water moved, the wind stayed light. The harbor drifted into night. Window faced the sea, paint worn by time. White curtains moved slowly in the breeze. Sunlight crossed the floor, line by line. The room stayed quiet all afternoon. A coffee cup waited near the glass. The sea reflected silver light. The sea was there beyond the frame. The sea was there just the same. A book lay open upon the table, its pages lifted now and then. Far below, along the shore, small boats drifted with the tide. The harbor sounded soft and low, a distant bell carried home. The sea was there beyond the frame. The sea was there just the same. White walls glowed in afternoon light, blue shutters rested, half open. A seagull crossed the empty sky without a hurry, passing by. The scent of lemons filled the room, warm and bright, like summer days. The shadows lengthened near the door, golden light faded. Little by little harbor lights appeared across the bay. One by one, in the dusk, the evening settled, soft and slow. The sea remained below. Faced the sea as night arrived. The breeze stayed gentle, the water calm. The sea was there beyond the frame, still blue, still the same. The evening boat returned across the bay. The water glowed softly in fading light. A fisherman waved from the deck. The harbor welcomed another day. Seagulls circled above the pier. Their shadows drifted on the sea. The boat came home with the tide. The boat came home at eventide. The ropes were waiting by the dock. Wood touched wood with a gentle sound. People gathered near the shore, speaking softly as before. The smell of coffee filled the air from a small cafe by the square. The boat came home with the tide. The boat came home at eventide. Church bells echoed across the town. Golden lights settled on stone streets. Blue shutters closed one by one. The day grew quieter in the sun. A bicycle rested near a wall, waiting patiently through it all. The sky turned amber, then deep blue. Small harbor lights began to shine. The sea reflected every glow, like scattered stars below. The breeze stayed gentle from the sea, carrying salt and memory. The evening boat returned once again. The harbor rested, calm and warm. The sea grew quiet, the stars appeared, and night arrived without a word. Last light stayed above the bay. The water shimmered, soft and gold. Small boats rested near the shore. The harbor slowed a little more. A seagull drifted through the sky. Without a sound it passed by. The light remained above the sea. The light remained quietly. White walls glowed in evening sun. Blue shutters closed one by one. The cafe empty near the square. A single chair stayed there. Coffee and lemons filled the air. The breeze carried them everywhere. The light remained above the sea. The light remained quietly. Church bells echoed across the town, their gentle voices floating down. A bicycle waited near a gate. Nothing seemed hurried, nothing late. The sea stretched onward, calm and wide, holding the colors of the sky. The hills grew softer in the dusk. Harbor lamps appeared one by one. The water gathered every glow and carried it below. The evening settled without a sound, a peaceful silence all around. The last light stayed above the bay. The sea grew darker slowly now. The breeze moved softly through the night and carried home the fading